Hello there, I'm Archit Sabani from CSE Department of KMIT second year. I'm thrilled to present you our project titled Gen AI Powered Virtual Agent. Our project aims to leverage the power of large language module and WebRTC to create a virtual agent which is capable of providing customer care services through voice calls. Our project has several key objectives. Firstly, we aim to revolutionize the interactive voice response services by integrating them with the AI powered models. This integration of IVR services with AI powered models not only enhances the efficiency but also to reduce the time for resolving the customer issues and also to provide hassle free round the clock services to the customers. In order to achieve our objectives, we will be utilizing the combination of technologies like Gen AI and LLM. Gen AI for generating the responses from the pre-trained models, LLMs for natural language processor, and WebRTC for real-time web communications between two peers, and TTS and STT are the two technologies for conversions of text to speech and speech to text, which are most important for seamless interaction. And lastly, the MERN stack for the web development of the application. The workflow of the whole application begins with the voice command of the user, which will be first given to the STT platform that converts the input user's voice to the text. The text will be further transmitted through the WebRTC application and will be fed to the fine-tuned pre-trained model. The response, it will be a form of query. And by the trained model, trained data, the fine-tuned model will be able to give an output in a form of response. The response will be transmitted back to the TTS platform through the WebRTC application, where the TTS will convert the text formatted output to the voice, which will be directly given as an audible output to the user. Thus, this is a single input and output process, and which such many processes forms a conversation between the virtual agent and the real user. Further, if any query which cannot be resolved by the tuned model, then the user will be redirected to the real agent. Here we have various enormous options. When it comes to the implementation phase, we have a bunch of options to work with STTs, TTS. Google Cloud Platform is providing us the speech to text and text to speech APIs, which are ready to use. Assembly AI, Media.io, Talkify. There are few free usable APIs and which are also paid APIs. Based on our requirements, we have to select the suitable API. And also, when it comes to models we have GPT-2, Llama, Quen 1.5. These are free to use. They are pre-trained models with a limited amount of pre-knowledge. And when it comes to our case, we have to train those models with our data. This process is called fine-tuning, where we will be training the already trained, pre-trained model with our requirements. Let's say we chosen the e-commerce domain. So in order to provide the customer services in this domain, we need to provide a certain query and response kind of conversations as a data set to the model. Uh, let's say when a user asks for where is my order, then the model should answer accordingly that your order is at this stage, either a packaging state or at the delivery stage, which is which as trained. And moving forward, in summary, as we see today, many domains are with teams of service providers and also a requirement. So this project will show the way or show the benefit of using a virtual agent to make the real-time communications with the user, which will not only decrease the time of customer resolving their issues, but also provides the service around the clock, which will obviously beat the human service. And the fine-tuned model will try its best to provide a satisfactory response. In failure, the virtual agent will redirect the user to the real agent where he can speak to the real human and resolve his further issues. Thank you.